Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an assess assignment of MyITLab course. It's basically a chapter 4 of the assess part of the MyITLab course. And if you need help in any other part like PowerPoint, Excel or Word part, or if you want to deal for your complete course of MyITLab course, or if you need help in writing assignments, math assignments, physics assignments, writing assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. I am going to do this assignment step by step. So by following these steps, you can complete your assignment. My assignment name is Exp19 Assess Chapter 4 HOE Assessment Leadership Conference 1.1. In its here is its project description. You can read it carefully so you will know what you need to do in this assignment. I will go to my first step. In our first step, what is he asking? Start assess, open the downloaded file name, exp19 assess chapter 4, HOE assessment conference. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your file. The first one step basically involves the downloading of assess file from the Pearson dashboard. That says our assess file. You need to download this assess file from your Pearson dashboard, and after completing the steps in this assess file, you will submit this one file to your Pearson dashboard. That will be graded. That's our step number one. In our step number two, what is he asking? You will create a form to manage the data in the registration table. Use the form tool to create the form and modify the form as required. You will also remove the layout control from the form so that the controls can be repositioned freely. Select the registration table as a record source for a form. Use the form tool to create a new form with a stack layout. So we will select the registration table. That's our registration table. We will go to the create tab, and here we will select the we will select on the use the form tool to create a new form with a stack layout. So we will select the form. You see a form is created by using the registration table. So we will go to arrange that one and use the stack layout. That's now in the stack layout. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? Change the form title to enter and edit registrant. We will copy that one and change the form title. That's our form title. We will change that one as a enter and edit registrants. And next thing, what we click the layout selector, and with the all field are selected, set the width of the controls about 3. So we will select all the form. We will go to the layout view. We'll go to the form view. We'll select all the form, and what we need to do, we need to add the width of the controls to 3 inch. So we will change here 3 inch and press enter. So you see we have got our results. Like that, we have got our controls with the width of 3 inches. That's our step number 3. And if you want an A grade in your assignments, you can contact me. Or if you want for A grade in your complete course, you can contact me and you can deal with me for your complete course also. I will do now step number 4. Set the background color of the registration ID text box 10 background to, and set the width. I've set the font size 14. Save the form as a edit registration. So we will go to the set the background of the registration ID text box. That's our registration ID text box. We need to add the change the its text box. background 10, background 2. So we will select the background color. That's our background color. We will change, open that one. 10, background 2. We will select 10. 10, background 2. That's our color. We will apply that one. That's now applied. And what the thing next we do? Set the font size to 14. So we will select the 14 font size here. Also we will make that one to 14. That's now applied to our form, and save the form as a edit registrations. So we will copy that one and then save the form with the new name as a edit registration and press OK. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Open the edit registration form in design view. So we will go to the design view. In this the view we will select that one is now design view. Select all the controls in the detailed section of the form and then remove the layout. So we will select the all the controls and text box in the layout. You see we will select one by one. That's now selected. And what thing he is asking? Design select all the control in the detail section of the form and then remove the layout. So we need to remove the layout now. We will select all and then in the arrange tab you will select the remove layout. In the tables, in the arrange tab, in the tables tab you will select remove layout. Now layout is removed from the section. View the form in the layout view. So now we will go to the form view, layout view. That's now layout view. You see it's now deleted. Layout view is now deleted. Delete the city labels from the form. So we will select the city label from the form. That's our city label. We will delete that one from the form and move the text box up at the right to the right of the address so their top edges are aligned. So we will move that one to the city label, city text box or right of the address. So we will make this one. Here we will select that one both and then select the make that one both aligned, or just make that one with like that. Go to the design view and then select that one address and city, and then in the range tab you will select the align. You will select the align top. Now these are aligned top. Now we will move again to the layout view. You see these are now aligned, top aligned. That's the thing he is asking. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? Delete the state, province and postal code from the form label and move the postal code textbook up and right of the states so that the so we will delete the state and province and postal code label. State and province and postal code label, these two are deleted. What we need to do now, and move the postal code text book up to the right of the state of the top edges are down. So we will now move that one here and make sure that your top edges are aligned. If you don't align that one, go to the design view, and in the format tab, make that one. In the range tab, select the align top. These are now aligned top, and now go to the again layout view. In this way, these tools are aligned also. That's our move the state province postal code text is up to below the address so that there is closed in the white space, keeping the spacing close to that controlled move above. So we need to move that one both above. You see, so to remove the blank space between them. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? View the form in the print view and set the orientation to landscape. Switch to the form view and then save and close the form. So now we will go to the print preview. We will go to see that one. We will make that one. We have made a mistake. Maybe we make again that one steps. That's our 0 mark step, so no need to do that one, or if you do that one, it's okay. I have done this up to in the 8th step. What is he asking? You will create a report based on the speaker and room schedule query. You decide to use the report wizard to accomplish this task. You are planning to email a copy to the report or to the your speaker who are not familiar with the assess. So you will export the report as a PDF prior to sending us. Select the speaker and room schedule query. So we will select the speaker and room schedule query. That's our speaker and room schedule query. What we need to do? Record source. Activate the report wizard and use the following option as you proceed the report. Select the all available field for the report. View the data by speaker and accept the default grouping level next to. Use the date as a primary field. Sort, accept the stat and portrait. So we need to, that's now selected. We will go to the external tab and we need to make this one as a PDF file. Export as a PDF file. Name as a no, that's our query wizard. We will go to the create tab and here we will select the report wizard and you see what he is asking. Records export and use the following option as you proceed. Select all the available field for the report. So we will select all the available field for the report. Next we will move what he is asking. Use the date as a primary. Accept all grouping level. So we will accept this grouping level. Go to the next and do you want any grouping? That's already grouped. And what is the ascending order? Use the date as a primary key field primary sort in the field, so we will select the date as a primary ascending order. And next, what is he asking? Accept step and portrait option and save the report as speaker by name, so we will copy that one, step and portrait, and next we will save that one as a speaker by name and then finish. That's our report view. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Switch to the layout view and apply retrospect theme to the report only. So we will go to the switch to the layout view. We will close the print preview. We will go to the layout view. That's our layout view, and apply the retrospect theme to the report only. So we will go to the report design and we will apply retrospect theme. We will find one by one. So our theme will be correct. That's our retrospect theme. We will apply to this one report. Switch to the report view to determine whether all the columns fit across the page. Switch back to the layout view. So now we will go to the report view. You see our all columns are fit on the first page, on the page 1. So it's showing page 1 by 1. So what is the other thing he is asking? Switch back to the layout view. Now we will switch back to the layout view. That's our step number 9. We have total 18 steps in this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me. And if you want that I will do your assess part of my IT lab course, or if you want me to do your complete my IT lab course, or if you want me to do your Cengage courses, Pearson courses, or Simnet courses, or if you want me to do your course like assignment writing, maths, stats, information technology, applied science, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new updates. Thank you.